at a higher level, what you're talking about is your perspective of gratitude. And let me explain real quick before I let you go. When you have a gracious perspective, you're looking for the light, the love, and the lessons in everything. And if we see our IT as an expense, then it becomes a shortage, a void, an obstacle, an interference, or corrosion to that profit, which is the potential of our business is its profit, because the profit allows us to have the impact. In that respect, I encourage everyone, whether it be your IT or any part of business that you're dealing with, is to take that gracious lens and look at it as one thing, a profit center. If you can't figure out how your phone system, how your servers, how your connectivity, how an employee is a profit center for you, as you said, it doesn't matter how many people you have. You can acquire as many big businesses as you want. I've done it in the past, paid the dummy tax for it. I've created situations where I was making 20% margins, bought the company and dropped myself down to 6, and all I got was overhead and employees. Not fun. But when I learned to have that lens of gratitude combined with productivity and accessibility and find the light, the love, and the lessons, which is profit, which leads to impact, that's what really shifted the paradigm for my business. And I encourage everyone out there to contact Matt if you can about these, whether it's him or someone else, to find that alignment. But find the profit centers first within your business. Don't see them as shortages, voids, and obstacles like most people do. Don't bring fear and resistance into an area that can be profitable for you. That's what Mindcore means to me, that collective consciousness. And you are an extraordinary example. As we talked about earlier with BK, sometimes you need someone to show you where you can go or pass there. That's what Matt Rosenthal is in Mindcore Technologies.